Like I said before, if you truly want to build successfully, there are certain things you must take the decision that I will not do this until I get to this particular stage in life. Number one is carrying the expenses of your family. Recently, I decided to leave my younger ones alone. And since then, they've been surviving. You are thinking that that particular person cannot survive without you. What if you die today? It's the first 10 years of an entrepreneur. You are more focused on the business than yourself. That's what we call the survival phase when it comes to building a business. It's called the survival phase. It's a phase where the resources you have is not enough to take care of you and the business. So you push everything into the business. But first, I'm buying clothes, you can buy tools. Some of us, we are even afraid to spend the money we have because we don't know any emergency that can rise from the business one day.